Hi, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, the new episode of Dial a Chef. I get questions all the time about how to cook bacon. We talked about this before, and there's a lot of different ways. You can cook it on foil, in the oven, or on a rack, on a sheet tray. But one of my favorite ways to cook bacon really quickly is in the microwave on a couple paper towels. I got 2 paper towels, 3 strips of bacon, and another paper towel. It's about a minute per slice. We're gonna pop this in the microwave and see how it turns out. All right, let's see how our bacon turned out. Okay, this can be a little hot, these paper towels, so be careful. Look how beautiful that bacon is. And then the cleanup's really easy. I just throw out the paper towels. I take this whole plate, run it under some soapy water under the sink, and put it right back in the microwave, and it's ready to go for the next shot. All right, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy a little bacon. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Fine Lines. Hey, stop eating my bacon!